How to download Google Chrome on macOS. If you want to download Google Chrome on macOS, macOS by default does not come equipped with Google Chrome. But what we have is Safari browser, so we will use Safari browser to download Google Chrome. Open your Safari browser and search for Google for Mac. You'll find the first link from Google that says Set up Chrome browser on Mac. Just make sure to click on it. It will ask you to download the installer, so make sure to download the installer. And once you've done that, just go to the Chrome browser download page like this and click on download Chrome, and then just click on accept and download. And once done, your installation file will actually get downloaded, right? So we've downloaded the installation file. Now go to your Finder and then simply go to downloads, and there you can see Google Chrome.pkg, right? So just double click that. Once it's done doing that, it will be guided, so we can click on continue, install for all users on this computer, continue, and follow the other instructions by clicking on continue, and it will successfully go ahead and install Google Chrome. In my case, I've already installed it, as you can see from the bottom, just like this. So this way you can download Google Chrome for macOS using Safari browser on Mac. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.